Welcome again, guys. So the next one we're going to now is to create gender. Okay, we want to create gender. We want to know the person that's signing up to this form, whether you man or you woman or you bisexual or you heterosexual. So we'll come here, put another label, and we have this one called gender. GENDER, gender. And to this gender has extra two labels. All right, gender has two extra labels. So gender on the label, we will okay. Let's just, I don't want to confuse you. Okay, so when you put gender here as a label, then you come down here, you put another label. Put another label, name it male, MALE, male. Then you can again leave another gender. Now this male should have an input. Okay, should have an input. So look here a little bit. So we are coding from here. We want to put gender. Okay, so label is gender. The second label is what? Male. Then this male gender should have text box, should have an input text box in front of it. So we'll create an input for it, and we'll call this input type. We'll give it a type. What type of input is this that we want it to be in front of the male? That's a checkbox. All right, that's a checkbox. Then for now, we'll create. Okay, let's see this one first and see how it look like on the web page. See how it look like on the web page. Beautiful. Save this one. Control S, and then refresh. Good. This is how it look. We'll have to break it. Apply a break on our last something up here. Break. We'll apply a break to this one. I will save it. And then good. It's sit down now. All right. Let's sit down. So the male, gender, male. So we have check, but we can check, but we need to have both female. So now we'll come again for another label. And we'll call the label as female. FEMALE, female. Good. We'll finish with it. Now female should have an input box too. So put another input box. And this inputs box, what kind of data type going there? So type, we want to put what? Checkbox. Okay. You got so many things you can put up, but we just want to check it. One checkbox. So let's save it. Go and refresh. Beautiful. So we have gender on it. Before gender, we have male. We have our female. So you see that we can select male or female. Now, if we finish selecting male and female, we want to gather information on their country of origin, where they come from. Okay, so we'll put another. We'll come down a little bit, where they come from, and this one is a little bit different to do it. So where they come from, we want a drop down listing of the country names to come. The moment you come, we just pick MOA. So to create a drop down listing of where a user hail from, so that they can be able to select from among the different countries listing that will come. So within the same form, remember the form we created. That here is the end of the form. So that right inside it, we're doing our All right. Sorry for that. Okay, so right here we have um, something called selects. Hmm? Post selects. Post selects. Ta, 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 ta. I mean, go back. So right here, for the drop down listing to come, we'll put something called select. Selects. We select. Okay. Beautiful. So now we have opening select and closing select. Everything in the form. So for the press enter so we can create a little bit space for it. So what are we selecting? Every selection has option. The same way we're doing listing, we'll have on all our listing from we got list, item. So for the selects, which is found within the form, we have nested form called within the select and called option. Sorry. Sorry. We got nested thing called option. Option. Hey. We got something called options, right? So we select option, and then this option um, we have options. Okay, but for us to do the one, let me just pause here a little bit. So we finish with the selects. I call it said the male and female. We'll save the 5 minutes. Then from there, we'll create the drop down options list. Okay, so let's save this one.